Informal presentations are a routine part of many jobs. Let's take a look at how to make an informal presentation at work. Informal presentations usually last between 10 and 15 minutes and are given to a small group of coworkers and possibly to your boss. Whatever the topic, informal briefings bring people up to date by supplying them with key information. When you have to make an informal briefing or presentation, use the following guidelines. First, prepare. Though your talk is short, never speak off the cuff. Do some research, like speaking with your boss and your team members, reviewing procedures, and so on. Next, describe your main points. Write down a few key items you want to cover and keep this list or outline before you as you speak. Highlight key names, terms, dates, or places. Avoid information overload. Do not crowd too many points into one presentation. Be highly focused. Include only relevant examples that your audience can easily apply to solve a particular problem or clarify a work-related issue. Your audience may be on a strict timetable and have obligations to fulfill later in the day, so be concise. Stay positive. Even when you have unpleasant news to impart, like a project delay, resist blaming or lecturing your audience. Instead, concentrate on the positive steps needed to resolve the problem. Don't overwhelm your listeners with visuals. Target only 2 or 3 main points to illustrate. Be sure to allow time at the end of your briefing for questions, comments, and suggestions. Thank listeners for their time and cooperation. Be prepared to make creative and captivating informal business presentations.